This is Sapurji 102 and Atifji with us. Hi Atifji.
So,
It's a legacy of 150 years, of 150 plus years by Sapurji.
talking about Shapoorji Pallonji again, it's one of the biggest and probably the finest engineering cum real estate conglomerates in the country. So as you can highlight over here, it's a legacy of 150 plus years. So the company was established. The company was established back in 1865, and since then they have grown nationally. They have grown globally as well. So as of now, we are present almost 60 odd countries as an engineering company, as an infrastructure company, as a construction company as well. And we have been running operations all across the globe. Almost 70,000 employees, just like me, have been working for this company throughout. And we are an umbrella of almost 16 odd companies under the flagship. So Eureka Forbes, which is a leading brand under the air purifiers, under the water purifier segment, is again a household name under the AquaGuard brand. Then there is a company called Afcons. So Afcons is one of the finest engineering companies of Asia. It currently is ranked the fifth most trusted construction company all around the globe, and Afcons has done some market developments under the infrastructure sector for the government. So Delhi Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, besides this Pragati Maidan redevelopment in Delhi is being done by Afcons again. Barakamban Nagar metro station has also been constructed by Afcons. This property called Chenab Bridge in Jammu Kashmir is also being developed by Afcons, which is going to be tallest railway bridge all across the world again.
Okay.
So besides this, Shapoorji Pallonji has diverged into real estate as a developer as well. So we are presently operational in almost 7 odd cities as a real estate developer. And a few of the highlights, if you want to show it to the viewers, we start from the extreme left. So Delhi Barakamba metro station was constructed by Shapoorji Pallonji. This is a Mumbai Central Station. This was constructed almost 90 years back in 1930. So this is considered as one of the busiest railway stations of the country as of date, and this was constructed almost 90 years back by Shapoorji Pallonji. And this is Malabar Hill Reservoir, so you find it in the southern parts of Mumbai.
Yes.
And this is one of the most poshest or one of the most uber luxury locations of Mumbai. So this was constructed by Shapoorji Pallonji again. Both International Circuit, the only Formula 1 car racing track of the country. There is a company called Sterling and Wilson, which is again an MEP company. MEP is a mechanical engineering and plumbing company. So this Sterling and Wilson is also owned by Shapoorji Pallonji. And Greater Noida F1 car racing track, major of the MEP work has been done by Sterling and Wilson, which means Shapoorji Pallonji has done it. Sterling is going to be one of the first companies by SPRE to be listed in the stock exchange very soon.
Okay.
And taking you towards Middle East, this is called Palace of Sultan of Oman. So whenever you visit Muscat as a tourist, you will probably visit this particular monument as a sightseeing spot. So this was constructed back in 1975 by Shapoorji Pallonji, almost 46 years back. And this was constructed for the Sultan of Oman as a residential abode for them and his family.
Okay.
And this is Intel Bangalore. So Intel's corporate office in Bangalore was constructed by Shapoorji Pallonji again. So this is the only project across the country where the construction has happened in a reverse manner. Whenever we construct any development, any house, we always go from ground towards the rooftop. This particular project, first the terrace slab was raised, the casting happened. After that, the company constructed it from rooftop going towards the bottom.
Okay.
So
Great.
whenever you visit Bangalore, you want to see this, have to see this particular development because this takes you to a different level of engineering which has been done by us.
Yes.
Terminal 3 Airport, when the renovation happened almost 5 years back. So Terminal 3 International Airport, the major of the work, renovation and repair work was done by Shapoorji Pallonji again for the Delhi government. And Delhi Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium was also constructed by Shapoorji Pallonji. Afcons, as I mentioned, has constructed it. So the biggest railway stadium of North India. Then it's a property called Fairmont Al Bahar, which is there in Abu Dhabi. That's a 5-star development which Shapoorji Pallonji has done. And this is again one of the finest luxury properties back in Abu Dhabi.
Okay.
Chenani Nashri Tunnel in Jammu Kashmir. So whenever you visit Jammu via Udhampur highway, maybe you are driving towards Katara, you enjoy the view and enjoying through the drive through these tunnels. So these were also constructed by Afcons and Shapoorji Pallonji for the local.
Okay.
We one of the most household names which most of the people would always be aware is DLF Cyber City. So most of the people you'll come across on your channel will be working in DLF Cyber City or somewhere around. So the entire construction of Cyber City from building 1 to 10 has been constructed by Shapoorji Pallonji or DLF.
Okay.
And this is one of the most luxury properties back in Mumbai.
Imperial.
So this is called the Imperial Towers. They are probably 2.5-3 kilometers away from Haji Ali Ji ki Dargah in Mumbai. And these two, we call them twin towers. These two are 60 floors high each. So these two towers currently are the tallest delivered residential towers in Mumbai.
Okay.
So whenever someone pays a visit to Mumbai, you must enjoy the hospitality of this particular building, because first of all, structure wise, this gives you a view of the Arabian Sea on the back side, and on the other side you enjoy the Haji Ali Ji ki Dargah view. Same time, this is the only property across the country where, the only residential property across the country where the entire hospitality and the services inside the society are being run by the Oberoi Group of Hotels.
Okay.
Most of the places you will find some local vendors running in, like Knight Frank, Kushman, Mehdi Chair. So this property is being run and operated by Oberoi Group of Hotels.
Over.
Under the hospitality.
Okay.
So this was Shapoorji Pallonji's first development as a residential development. All the other developments we just witnessed have been developed as a construction company. This has been the first property as a developer. So this is when we ventured into real estate as a developer as well. And recently, I'll move you towards the other side. Almost 7 years back, Shapoorji Pallonji created a platform by the name of Joyville. So Joyville is a luxury platform which is being developed with its headquarters in Mumbai, and Joyville under development. We are trying to promote and develop luxury housing segments throughout the country. So as you can highlight it here, the partners are Shapoorji Pallonji, Actis is a monetary arm of Standard Chartered. Then is International Finance Corporation. So International Finance Corporation is being run by World Bank, and lastly Asian Development Bank. So these 4 partners have joined hands to create this platform under the name of Joyville, where we are developing luxury housing segments. And the very first property under this flagship has been Joyville in Howrah, closer to Kolkata. So Joyville Howrah was launched almost 3.5 years back, and the possession of this particular project has started almost 4 months back. So this particular project I am highlighting, it's also been delivered almost 9 months before the scheduled time. So the possession started to come before the actual scheduled time. Next launch after this was in Virar, Mumbai again. So whenever you browse Joyville Virar, you get to know that's a development again by Shapoorji. Again, the possession has started almost 1 year before the schedule. Then we went to Pune. So Pune is a location in Hinjewadi. Hinjewadi is one of the finest IT developments, IT parks in Pune. So Hinjewadi we have almost 140 acres development, which is again under the flagship of Shapoorji Pallonji. Then the Joyville Gurugram came in. This is the 4th addition to the family. And here, as I mentioned, it was launched almost 2 years back, and we are starting with the handover by 2022 mid. So we intend to deliver this entire project by 2024 mid. So we are, although the RERA schedule is by 2025 mid, we are trying to develop it within a complete horizon of 5 years. So we intend to deliver it from the starting point till the entire complete delivery phase of the last apartment. The target time is closer to 5 years.
5 years.
And all these names, since when amalgamated with Shapoorji Pallonji, lends a more comforting factor to the people, since an entity like World Bank, Asian Development Bank, maybe Standard Chartered will not invest under a banner where they find their investment is unsafe or insecure.
Yes.
So these entities put together with Shapoorji Pallonji makes it even a more viable and more credible investment when it comes to investing their hard-earned money by most of the people.
Yes. Okay. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.